What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, we do have a price update on this crypto called Troy, which has gone for a major increase in value. As you guys can clearly see, huge green candlesticks can only mean one thing. It has pumped up over 70% in the last 24 hours and currently trading at 0.006 cents. So we're going to be going through its next target. Is it going to keep pumping? Is it going to drop back down? And mainly looking at, is it time to buy it right now? Is it too late? Or if you're on a profit, should you sell it and take out your money, or should you simply hold on to it before it pumps up even higher over the coming hours? So covering both buyers and sellers' point of view, and also looking at its prediction over the short term and over the long term as well, so that we cover both short and long term traders. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently on the Coinbase website. The market has once again taken a little bit of a drop, over 3% down, guys, as you can see here, with Bitcoin dropping down to $22,000, which is not looking too great. However, we do have Troy as one of the top gainers in the last 24 hours. In the last hour, just over a percentage. Over the last day, nearly 70%. Over the week, 61%, and over the month, 83%. But clearly, most of the pump did come from the last couple of hours. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up by a huge 7,600% up in just the last 24 hours, making it $93 million in trading, which is a huge amount of money currently being traded in Troy. And again, the percentage increase is crazy, guys, and it's likely to go even higher over the coming hours as more and more people start to trade Troy. A lot more investors, a lot more sellers, and in general, just a lot of people trading it because it is one of the top gainers, even though the market is down. So a lot of people are looking into the project and either investing or selling the crypto. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the MACD indicator, which I'm going to be using to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Troy, which is here in purple at 0.003745 cents. However, it is trading at a much higher value here in green at 0.006129 cents, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But as usual, guys, before I go any further, just a little disclaimer. This is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue and the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards the positive direction. And yes, guys, it is looking quite steep as well. Only reason why it's looking so steep is because of the major increase that's taken place over the last 24 hours. The graph thinks, you know what, this crypto is going to keep pumping, it's going to keep going up in value, so on and so on. However, as I mentioned plenty of times, whenever you see a MACD indicator looking this steep, that means it's not realistic. And yes, I go by that again. Over the next 12 to 14 hours, so let's say towards the end of the day today, I'm expecting Troy to have dropped back down in value, down to about 0.5%, somewhere around here, 0.005 cents in target towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow. However, that doesn't mean that it's going to stop pumping over the next couple of hours. It's likely to carry on pumping up to about 0.007 to 0.0075, somewhere in between there, and then towards today afternoon, today evening, it's likely to slowly start to drop back down in value to about 0.5 cent, which is around this price range here. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, again, it's still looking very steep, looking very bullish, guys, meaning once again it's not realistic. Exact same reason applies here. So yes, guys, over the coming days, so let's say over the next 7 to 8 days, so towards the end of next week, I'm expecting Troy to have taken a drop back in value. However, nothing too major, is going to be a minimal drop, because once it drops down to 0.5 cent towards the end of the day today, it's likely to drop further over the coming days before it slowly starts to gain value by mid next week, gaining up to about 0.055 to 0.006 cents in target by the end of next week. This is where I'm expecting Troy to be trading at, but again, over the coming hours and coming days, do expect it to take a little bit of a drop back down in value before it slowly starts to gain value towards mid and end of next week as well. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? Again, we're looking very steep, guys. Again, the pump that's taken place yesterday and today has confused the graph so much that it's looking so steep. Again, it's not realistic, but in this case, I am expecting an overall increase in value from Troy over the coming weeks. So over the next 6 to 8 weeks, guys, by mid to late April 2023, I'm expecting an overall increase in value from Troy, and at this point, we should be way above the 1 cent target, guys. Again, the 1 cent target, I'm expecting Troy to be hitting by over the next 3 to 4 weeks. So towards the end of March, I'm expecting Troy to hit the 1 cent target and potentially heading up to 2 cents by the end of April and early May 2023. I'm expecting it to head up to 2 cents. Again, 2 cents may seem like a major increase from where it is at the moment. However, guys, if we manage to give it approximately a good 2 months, I'm pretty sure we should be able to hit the 2 cents target. But again, this also depends on how the crypto market performs. For example, if we go for a major crash or a major bull run or a price pump, these things will have a major positive or negative impact, not just on the value of Troy, but the crypto market in general. But anything like that, that's why I'm here, guys, to keep you guys updated as much as I can and as soon as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. But yeah, so far so good for Troy. However, not for the short term, guys. As I mentioned earlier, I am expecting it to drop down in value over the coming days. So those of you who are looking to trade Troy for the short term, I'm pretty sure there's a lot of you guys who are looking to do that. Make sure your risk management is on point, because as you can see, it's already started to hit red candlesticks here, as you can see, and it's likely to drop further towards the end of the day today. But again, that doesn't mean I'm telling you guys not to invest, or I'm telling you guys to invest. You guys can do whatever you guys want to do, but I'm just here to give you guys my predictions and my takes on this crypto. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on Troy, guys. What I want you guys to do in the comment section down below is let me know, when are you guys expecting Troy to be hitting the 1 cent target? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto, as I have seen a lot of comments around Troy. And yeah, that is pretty much it. I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. Before I end the video, I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And also, it is free to subscribe, guys, so make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.